Class 10, in this one I'm going to do, let us calculate the product. Okay, product means multiplication, so you have to just multiply all these. How you will do one by one I am telling you. Okay, now the first question is of 2a is root 7 into root 14. First you will take the LCM of root 14. You know 7 into 2, 7 2s are 14. Okay, then all are in the root, so you can take one root, so 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, now this 7 two times you can take outside. Okay, so I have taken already, and since these two have no pair, I am writing as it is. Okay, so like this you will do question number 2 ka B and C. Okay, I am doing 2D. Okay, now in 2D question is root 2 bracket 3 plus root 5. Okay, it's very easy, just you have to open the bracket, means root 2 will first multiply with 3 and then root 2 multiply with root 5. Since it is number and it is inside the root, so how it will come, 3 root 2 it will come, plus now it is also inside the root, it is also inside the root, so it will come 2 into 5 10 root 10. Okay, answer. Now this one 2 ka E, 2 plus root 3, 2 root 2 minus root 3. Now you can see it is in the formula a plus b, a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. So our a is root 2 and b is root 3. Okay, so root 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. You know that root and square will cancel out, it is giving 2, and root 3 and 2 will cancel out, it will give you minus 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2 will give you 1, and since with 3 you have minus sign, so you have to write minus 1. Okay, now 2f question is 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2, 4 root 2 plus root 5. Okay, so see in this one there is no formula. If we have formula, we have like this, plus and minus, and same thing two times, only sign will change, plus and minus. But in this one we have plus sign and nothing is same. So what we will do, first we will write 2 root 3 and this one we will write full, then we will write plus 3 root 2 and this one we will write full. Okay, now we have to multiply 2 root 3 into 4 root 2. So how you will multiply, outside with outside one, means 2 with 4, 2 4s are 8, and inside with inside one, inside means root, inside of root, so 3 into 2 root 6. Now again plus sign you have to give. Now outside you have 2, here you have nothing, so 2 ones are 2, and root 3 into root 5 will give you root 15, plus sign. Okay, now 3, here outside you have 3 and here 4, so 3 4s are 12, root 2 into root 2 root 4. Okay, again plus sign. 3, here you have nothing, so you have to write 3 only, and inside root you have root 2 and root 5, so root 2 into root 5 it will give you root 10. Okay, now you know root 4 value is how much, 2, so I have written 2 here, and all the things I am writing as it is. 12 into 2 will give you 24. Now see, we will not be able to add, subtract, because all the root 1 are different. Okay, now 2g, root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1, 2 minus root 3, 4 plus 2 root 3. Now in this one it is in the formula a plus b, a minus b, we can write a square minus b square, and I am writing this one as it is. See, 2 is common, so I am taking 2 as a common. What is left, 2 plus root 3 left. Okay, now 2 we will take outside, root 3 square, root will cancel, 3 minus 1 square will be 1. Okay, now see, if I am taking 2 as a common, it is becoming formula 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. So a minus b, a plus b formula is a square minus b square, so 2 square will give you 4, root 3 square will give you 3, and here 3 minus 1 2, and 1 2 is here. If there is no sign, it means multiplication, so 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 3 1, 4 into 1 4. Okay, now 5 ka 2. Okay, now in 5 ka 5, what is 5 ka 1, what is written, let us write 2 conjugate shirts of each mixed quadratic shirts of the following. Okay, means you have to write conjugate shirts, and how much, 2 for each. What is conjugate shirt, I am telling you. So first question is root 5 plus root 2. See, root 5 plus root 2. 2 conjugate shirts are root 5 minus root 2. What I have done, only in conjugate shirt you have to change the symbol. Means if you have plus sign, you will write minus sign. Okay, in one. And in the second one, here if you have no sign means plus sign, you will write minus root 5 plus root 2, means only you have to change the sign. Plus sign will become minus and here plus sign will become minus if you have to write two shirts. Okay, and homework 5 ka 3, 4 and 2. Okay.